everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you guys don't know me, who I am, my name is Shania, and in today's video I came with so many new things which will be surprise, a good surprise for you, and it will be too much beneficial for you guys. This video, it's not about specifically some skincare or some basic moisturizer or any kind of scrubbing part. Video is going to be like mixture of all, like how to take care of yourself before festive season, before Diwali, before Chath puja. How do we take care of our skin? I'll tell you today some home remedies that you can try out at your home very easily to get that bright red. This is the video, it's all about pre-Diwali skincare with home remedies. You don't need to go to salon, and you can try out at your home to get that bright radial skin. You just need to follow those steps within 1 week, like 2 to 3 times in a week. You can try out, because I do 3 times in a week. It's totally budget friendly because all of the ingredients you will get at your home, in your kitchen. So let's begin it. So the first thing of my skincare, I'm going to start with cleanse my face, and after that I will apply this paste which will work as face mask and as exfoliation too. So for cleansing I took raw milk, and raw milk has natural moisturizer which will hydrates your skin and soothes and calms irritated skin such as acne, sunburn, and it reduces the redness too. Raw milk contains anti-aging benefits rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, A, D, and it brightens up the skin. So after that cleansing part, I'm going to start to make this paste. Here I took tomato, besan, masoor dal powder, honey, turmeric, and curd. And now I'm going to mix it together, and then I'll apply a thick layer on my face. Curd acts as a natural hydrator. It boosts the skin's elasticity, nourishes the skin. It contains vitamin D, protein, treats acne marks, and rich in lactic acid, and it contains as very gentle AHA. So it known as lactic acid, which is natural ingredient that helps to exfoliate the skin. Tomatoes help reduces excessive oils, tightens pores, it maintains the skin's pH level and minimizes the breakouts on the skin. Masoor dal has bleaching properties on it, and it's an excellent skin cleanser, removing all your dark spots, blemishes, helps the skin whitening and reducing the suntan. Besan removes the facial hair, cures dry and flaky skin. It has also so much goodness on it. So the next home remedy also contains tomato, which I'm going to make it as an scrubbing on my face. I'm going to cut into half pieces, and then I'll sprinkle a little bit of sugar on it, and then turmeric little bit of that, and then I'll scrub in a circular motion on my face. As I said before, tomatoes reduces excessive oils. It brightens up your skin. Sugar as works as a scar remover, and it removes the dead cells from your skin. Again, turmeric helps to reduce blemishes, fades away the skin scars, and brings out the glow. After that tomato home remedy, sharing with you guys this rice flour face mask, which is going to work as an exfoliation too, because rice has antioxidants and it strengthens the skin barrier, controls sebum productions. Honey also has like amino acids on it, and rice also has amino acids. It's rich in amino acids, so it like helps to slow down your skin aging. And after that you can see the glow on my face, right? And this face mask now also known as like Korean glass skin face mask. So yeah, I literally love this rice face mask. It's so easy to make it also. And after that, I'm making this another face mask which is going to really helpful if you have suntan, because you just need to add turmeric, as I mentioned before, how much goodness on it it has, and then honey and coffee. Caffeine has rich in antioxidants and it fights for sun damaged skin, and it really helps for blood circulation on your face. Done with skincare. Now it's the time for hair, and let's moving out to a reminder for you guys. Make sure what kind of skin type you guys have. According to that only you going to apply this remedies on your skin, because I have a combination skin type. That's why these remedies are suitable for my skin. And don't apply every home remedies in one day itself. Just try to use twice or thrice in a week. It will be good for your skin. Here I'm making ready for my hair growth rice water, which I have soaked 1 cup of rice within 2 cup of water for overnight, and then I just transfer that water in a spray bottle, and then I'm just spraying on my scalp and leaving it for 30 minutes, and then just wash it off with your favorite normal shampoo. I'm gonna massage it for 5 to 10 minutes, that's it, and then I'll leave it like that and I'll wash it off. So after washing, I can feel my hair, it got more shiny and silky, and it has no frizziness, and yeah, I love it so much. So this helps to grow your hair faster, and it helps to, if you're facing any issue of hair fall, then also it will slow down your hair fall issue. And yeah, you can use this rice water thrice in a week, so you will get the results. So this is what I do before Diwali, before Chhat Puja, because Diwali and Chhat Puja is too much biggest festival for us, and I literally do take care of my skin, my hair, uh, like this way, with applying so many home remedies. So you guys just try this, and I literally can tell you that this remedy is going to work for you. If you guys have enjoyed by watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up to this video, and please do share with your friends and family members, and please do mention in the comment section also if you guys have any other home remedies that you guys do apply before Diwali and Chhat Puja to get that instant glowing radiant skin. Then please do mention. I will also try to apply that. When you look good, you will feel good. So till then, bye. Happy Diwali in advance and happy Chhat Puja too. Bye.